So guys, I smashed all the chocolate up of Kinder eggs. And then I tried the chocolate. And now I'm going to open the toys. First one. I need to check what it does. Looks like I'm meant to go like this with him. Maybe not. Not like that. Guys, see you again. Chatty, chatty, chatty. So you meant to get that. And go chatty. Chatty, 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 chatty. So let's put that with my toys. First one, good. Second one, where is it? I can't open. I'll just go. Can't open it. I want this big. Okay, where's the head? Oh, it's up here. Because it may have fell out. Or I may have, when it was doing, I don't know what this. I might do part 2. So I'm doing 3. And I might do a part 2. What? I can't believe it. It's just all about opening. I like it's the ears. Mom, can you drink 3 days? I'll just leave it to light. How do okay. Like the ones that are open, go there. I'll just do it like that. So you'll right, I'm going to open these both at a time. I'll see what that is after. Yay, I got these 2 cards. So I've done 2, 4, 5. I need to talk to you about the toys too. Like, if you want me to do more, put a big fat thumbs up.
One more.
And I got these. I'll just plop them there for later. I won't build them. And if you want me to do some more, give a big fat thumbs up.
Stop touching them all. Pick one.
And if you want me to do some more, put a big fat thumbs up. if you didn't watch my other videos, look, watch them if you want to see what I've been doing. And I opened 6 eggs. And they're good toys. Really good toys. So if you liked it, put a big fat thumbs up. Bye.